Hey guys, I want to show you our new Pro Line racing head that we came out with. We took an old design, revamped it, I guess is a good way to say it, and made it a lot more usable, I guess you could say. Because once you detonate a motor, you usually mess up the squash band, stuff like that, and you either got to have a machinist recut it or use your Dremel or some sandpaper, whatever. But what we're going to do is we've already made other inserts for these, for as different domes, different angles for the squash band, stuff like that. But this is a really cool head. So we've made it where you can do the insert will pop in and out like so. Now when you tighten the head down, this thing will absolutely not move. I mean, this thing is cranked down on the cylinder. I mean, we have wrenched on these things when we did the prototype on the dyno, and people are always like, oh, well, will that thing slip? It will not slip. And what's really cool is you can turn this thing whatever way you want to and have the the plug indexed towards your intake or wherever you like, and really adjust things. What's gonna be cool is we're gonna make these with a package too. We're gonna have like 5, 6, 7, 8 cc heads, whatever, like special cut things for this or that, or our big bore motors. It's gonna be pretty cool. And like I say, if you ever blow one up or you mess this part up, instead of having to buy a whole nother head, you just buy this insert piece and just slap it right in there and keep going. It's the best way to do it. But anyways, check them out, zedamotorsports.com. Join us on Facebook. We'll be having some dyno videos of these soon when we get finished with all the other CCs and stuff like that. Hey, you add this, you put this one in it, the temperature is at this, it's making this much more torque or horsepower. Hey, you want to ride daily, then use this one, or blah blah blah. But we'll continue to do our research on these things and try to always provide the next level stuff. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Check them out. See you.